ChatGPT did something crazy and I'm obsessed with it. It is called Pulse. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything that it does and why I think it is a huge, awesome update. Now, at first glance, it's going to seem like it's a little curated news update. But if you've been using ChatGPT for any amount of time and it's been learning from you, you're going to learn that this is less of a news update and more like it's actually sneaking into your mind and reading your dreams. Like literally. It has given me such awesome things based on the chats that I've already had. So when you first come into ChatGPT, you'll see it on the top if you have access. It says today's pulse. And then this is from today. It's the first day. You'll see all of these different pulses, as they call them. If you click on them, they'll actually open up a chat where you can start a new chat and have a conversation with the pulse. And what it's doing is it's looking back at the conversations that I've had and giving me new ideas, new concepts, new things to do with the inquiries and the brainstorming sessions and the content that I've been creating. It even gave me a full social media strategy that I actually never would have thought of, that I'm super excited to record a video plan, like really, really good. It also gave me a whole suite of courses that it wrote for me based on what I have put in here on my exact frameworks. Like that one is called Turn Your Frameworks into a Mini Visual Course. It also gave me, it has the ability to get insights and emails from my calendar. I haven't done that one yet. It gave me benchmarks for comment to DM funnels. It did the research for me and sent that my way because it knows that that's something that we talk about a lot. It also gave me a refined scorecard for social setters, another thing that I talk about a lot, plus a whole guide on how to use high-level conversation AI workflows. The final thing, it knew that I had been looking up Sapphire Reserve credit card points, and it warned me that Chase Sapphire's month or annual fee is going to be going up. And then it gives me this option to curate my pulse for tomorrow. I cannot wait to log into ChatGPT first thing in the morning. I know some people like to look at the news. This is like the news for my soul. It's like the news for my mind, right? I'm very excited about it. I did curate it and told it that I wanted some more non-businessy things, which I'm excited about as well. And I'll keep you posted. I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can get access as well. You have to have, as of right now, a pro account. So this is finally something that makes me glad that I'm paying for the pro account, because I'm telling you, I'm going to turn this into way more than $200. It's going to be rolling out to everyone. And the other thing is it only works on your phone. So where you'll see it is right on the right-hand side. I know you can't see that, but it says new chat, library, pulse, and GPTs. Also at the top of a regular GPT, it says today's pulse, and then it brings that up. So there's a couple of places where you can access it. I am just very, very, very excited. Let me know. Have you tried it? I'll put a link below so that you can read a full written guide. Okay, my name is Molly Mahoney. Make sure that you subscribe. I'm here to bring you the latest in AI that is backed by real, genuine, authentic humans. I will see you soon. Make sure you subscribe and do all of those things. And if you want access to a rockin' group where we dig into more, join our free Facebook community. I'll put the link below.